My dad got me into it when I was 8 because I wasn't really like a fan of like football and that, so I thought I'd take up kickboxing, and I just got from there and started doing more and more and started competing then. Like I've done karate and taekwondo, and I've done world championships, British championships, Europeans, internationals and all other stuff like that. Yeah, so I've represented Wales and like the UK, but like I've only now just gone to the GB team. But I'm fighting in the Hungarian 𝗦𝘁𝘂𝗱𝗵𝗵𝗵 Kickboxing World Championships, and I'll be fighting in the young junior male category. I had GB training about 2 weeks ago, and there was like selections for the Hungarian World Championships, and then the coaches pulled me aside, my coach as well, who was a GB coach, and he pulled me aside and they both tell me that they want me to join the team and represent GB in the World Championships. It's proper chuffed, yeah. That's the main thing I've been looking forward to since I started, and I finally got it. My highlights of my career are probably winning the World Championships and British Championships and internationals. Yeah, I'm hoping to go to the Olympics definitely, and just go further on from that and try to get as high level as possible. I'm only in college 3 days a week, and for the rest of the week it gives me a lot more time to focus on my training and kickboxing and everything else that I do. I think my lecturers have a sense of pride in seeing all the things I achieve, and they're like very happy for me, and they support me all the time, and they always ask me things. So, but yeah, they definitely have a very good support for me.